Adding a spring to your step, unveiling English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idioms, focusing on the phrase, a spring in one's step. This idiom is a colorful way to describe someone's energy or happiness, but there's more to it. Stay tuned as we unfold its meaning, usage, and origins to help you master it in real-life conversations. The phrase, a spring in one's step, is used to describe a person who is walking energetically in a way that shows they are feeling happy and confident. Imagine someone walking lightly and bouncily, as if they're slightly springing off the ground with each step. This idiom is often used to convey that someone is in a good mood or feeling particularly optimistic about life. Understanding the origins of idioms can make them easier to remember. The phrase, a spring in one's step, likely comes from the physical act of springing or bouncing, indicating vitality and liveliness. This expression has been used in English for many years and reflects the idea that our emotions can influence our physical movements. To help you get a grasp of how to use this idiom, let's look at some examples. After hearing the good news, she had a spring in her step for the rest of the day. You can really tell he loves his new job. He's had a spring in his step ever since he started. The prospect of going on vacation has put a spring in their steps. Notice how the phrase is adaptable to different subjects, she, he, they, and situations, making it a versatile tool in your English language arsenal. To fully understand this idiom, visualize someone walking with more bounce and energy than usual. This is not just about physical movement. It's a reflection of internal happiness or excitement. When you think of someone with a spring in their step, imagine a person so delighted or content that their mood lifts their physical movements. Idioms like, a spring in one's step, enrich our language, offering vivid imagery to express feelings and states of being. We hope this video has added not just a new phrase to your vocabulary, but also a bit of springiness to your English learning path. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using idioms with the confidence and ease of a native speaker. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.